Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the items that let you see without torches. First, brew a potion of night vision. Fill bottles, add nether wart to make awkward potions, then golden carrot to convert. Make sure blaze powder fuels the stand. Once done, extend duration with redstone if you need longer exposure. You should also carry a golden apple for emergency regen and a respawn anchor or ender chest to stage safely. These prevent losing progress while exploring dark caves or monuments. Drink the potion right at the entrance so you maintain full effect. If you're with mates, throw splash or lingering potions to cover everyone. Once active, you'll see blocks as if lit, so move confidently and mark choke points with banners or wool. For underwater dark zones, enable a conduit or wear a helmet with respiration and aqua affinity to extend visibility and mobility. Make sure to stack effects logically: night vision for illumination, conduit for breathing, and extra light in seafloors. As you wrap up, replace expiring potions so you never drop into darkness unexpectedly. Keep spare awkward potions and ingredients ready to rebottle. If your screen suddenly darkens, check for the blindness status or overlapping negative potions and remove them with milk or wait them out. Make sure you haven't triggered invisibility that alters perception. Finally, place permanent non-torch lights like soul lanterns or glowstone if you want a long-term solution, and make a habit of staging supplies at safe points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.